Welcome, here I've got Motorola One Action and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. By tapping on this icon we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down and let's focus on the capture settings. As you can see here we have the assistive grid option, so by using this button we can turn it on and turn it off like that. This is how it works here. And for now let me keep this turned on and let's go back to the camera. As you can see it shows us these lines, and this is useful when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography and making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go here to the right corner at the bottom to the gallery, we can't see them, so these lines are only to help us taking better pictures. And of course when we don't need this, we go back to the settings in the right corner, slide again to the capture settings, tap on this button once again, and for now this option is turned off and the grid lines are gone. So that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.